Hello, today I'm going to walk you through the setup of the Relieve 3D Zero Gravity Massage Chair. This premium high-end chair is very easy to assemble. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in one large box. The only tool required for this assembly is a Phillips head screwdriver. Once you have opened the box, remove all the protective packaging material surrounding the chair and remove it from the bottom cardboard tray. Place the chair in an open area to resume the rest of the assembly. Next, check and go through the installation parts bag to make sure you have all the included parts for this assembly. You should have one large and small cover plate, two small screws, a single pin, one metal clip, and two plastic spacers. Along with the installation parts bag, you'll find the chair's power cable, the assembly guide, a user's manual, a quick start guide, and the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now let's begin to assemble the chair. The only part you will have to assemble is the footrest. Lower the footrest toward the ground and align the base rod on the underside of the footrest to the connecting rod on the chair's body. Place one plastic spacer with the narrow end facing inwards toward the beginning of the pin. Now, slide the base rod pin through both the base rod and the connecting rod, then insert the remaining spacer with the narrow end facing in. Then secure the pin with the metal clip onto the end of the pin. From the installation bag, grab the small cover plate, the big cover plate, and the two small screws. Locate the vent tube housing underneath the footrest and connect both the power supply and the air hose to the body of the chair. Then place the vent tube sleeve between the two screw columns. Cover the tube with a small cover plate and secure it to the chair with the two small screws. Make sure the two plastic tabs on the small cover plate are on the right side to ensure the placement of the large cover plate. Then insert the large cover plate and lower the footrest. Connect the chair's main power into the respective port on the back side of the base, then flip the main power switch on. Your remote control should come already attached to the chair's body. Power the chair on using the power button on the remote control and run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. With everything working, you are now ready to enjoy your Relieve 3D massage chair.